everybody, Josh over at CFT Performance. Ordered one of these pedal commanders through John Long over at Open Wide Performance. Just wanted to show you guys how simple these are. All I've done so far is I just literally took it out of the box, threaded it up here. Show you how simple they are to install. Let's see if I can set this camera. See up here, you'll see the little maroonish red clip. Literally pull that back out, and then you can take your pedal commander, slides right into it, locks in place. Pull the tab out on the other, lock it in place, just like that. You're done. That's literally how it installs. Super simple, done and out in literally a minute. Then I'll take this and I'll mount it up here. If you got, also these units are Bluetooth, so you can get the app for your phones. If you have the GDP monitor, there gives an app that you could go ahead and download on there, and you can control it through your own monitor too. So hopefully that explains everything to everyone. Super simple. Thank you.